So that's an interesting aspect that you talk about, and you've just been referring to them.
Yeah, absolutely, because we know when it's fear-based, you have got that 2-1 system, or you've got that survival system active, and children do learn, but they learn about what to fear and avoid rather than what you're trying to teach them, so putting them on the spot. It's interesting, when I do my workshops with educators, what I do sometimes, and I do apologise to them after, but I will ask a question, an irrelevant question, usually about football over, obviously, in Australia, and especially down here in South Australia. And then you ask someone that's not paying attention, usually looking at their phone because they're not interested in football. So I put them on the spot, and you should see, and sometimes they might be a principal, and they really get quite, whoa, and they get quite anxious, and you can see they're blushing. Obviously, apologise profusely, but then say, can you now imagine what a child feels like when you've put them on the spot? Now, it could be that they didn't engage for lots of reasons. However, at that moment now, they're feeling more anxious, and so now they perhaps don't want to come to school, or they'll be even more quiet. And how do the other children then react to them as a result? So it's really important for them to get a sense of what this feels like, because that's what the fear-based learning feels like, that you're not actually engaged, you can't concentrate, and we know that the cortisol actually eats away at the dendrites in the hippocampus, our memory centre, and so the information isn't going in the first place.
Well, if you want to know more about the science of psychotherapy, come across to our website, thescienceofpsychotherapy.com, and our podcast of the same name, and learn more about the science of you.